Hey everyone, welcome back to Moto Craze, the ultimate hub for motorcycle lovers. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about cruisers of the year, the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S. Whether you're a city rider, weekend explorer, or just a fan of aggressive, modern cruisers, this bike is definitely one to watch. Let's kick things off with the first impression. The Vulcan S comes in a stunning glossy white finish that looks futuristic and clean, especially when it's sitting in a bright, modern showroom. Its signature cruiser silhouette has been slightly refined for 2025, keeping that low-slung, muscular profile, but with sharper detailing. The front end still carries the classic round headlamp, now with updated LED tech that gives it a sleeker, more modern glow. It rides on cast aluminum wheels with machined edges that give the bike a bit more of a premium stance, and the matte black engine and exhaust offer a nice contrast against the glossy bodywork. Underneath that stylish exterior, the 2025 Vulcan S is powered by a 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine. The same reliable and refined motor Kawasaki has been using, but now tuned for slightly smoother low-end torque delivery. It's not built to be the fastest bike in the lineup, but it's a cruiser that knows its role: smooth power, great control, and enough grunt for highway overtakes. With a top speed of around 120 miles per hour and a 0 to 60 time, close to 4.2 seconds, it's got more than enough punch to satisfy casual thrill seekers and seasoned riders alike. One of the Vulcan S's biggest selling points is its comfort and adjustability. Kawasaki's signature ErgoFit system is still in play, allowing riders to adjust the seat, foot pegs, and handlebar positions to match their height and riding style. Whether you're short, tall, or somewhere in between, this bike can be tailored to feel just right. And that's a rare feature in the mid-range cruiser class. The dashboard has also seen a minor upgrade, with a brighter, more responsive digital display showing all your essential ride data. It's clean, readable, and not overly complicated, exactly what you want in a cruiser-style bike. Other features include ABS as standard, a smooth 6-speed transmission, and comfortable suspension tuned for both solo and 2-up riding. Let's talk about the price. Kawasaki has managed to keep the Vulcan S competitively priced for 2025. Depending on your region and any dealer markups, you're looking at a ballpark of $8,000 to $8,400. For what you get: customizable comfort, a dependable engine, and that stylish white finish. It's a solid value. To wrap it all up, the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S doesn't try to reinvent the cruiser, and that's its strength. It knows exactly what it is: a reliable, versatile, and stylish midweight cruiser that fits almost any rider. For newer riders looking to upgrade or experienced bikers wanting a smooth daily ride, this bike hits a sweet spot. The updated visuals, solid performance, and rider-focused features make it one of the best in its class. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your thoughts on the Vulcan S. Until next time, ride safe and stay crazy. This is Moto Craze, signing off.